What up, YouTube? 89 Box Boy, and what I'm showing y'all is the new windshield I'm getting installed on the box. I had a leak on the left side of the windshield. It was getting in my driver door. I didn't want to reseal or anything like that. I just wanted to go ahead and put a brand new windshield in it so I ain't even have to deal with that no more. And y'all let me know what y'all think. How the car coming, the channel, everything. So y'all like and subscribe and check the video out.